Hello everyone, welcome to my English class for 6th grade. So today we are going to learn a story, forms of verb, a song which is related to the topic, and past tense. First, we are going to watch a story which is named The Little Red Riding Hood. During the video running, try to catch up some verbs in the past tense and also how are they changing into. Okay, let's join with me.
Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time there was a little girl. Her name was Little Red Riding Hood. One day, she went to visit her granny. She had a nice cake in her basket. On the way, a wolf saw her. The wolf was very hungry. It followed the little girl. Little Red saw very beautiful flowers under a tree. She stopped and picked some for her granny. She said to herself,
"Granny's house is over there. She will be very happy."
The wolf heard the little girl. The wolf arrived at Granny's home before the little girl. It looked inside the home. Then it ran into the room and ate Granny up. He got into Granny's bed and waited for the Little Red Riding Hood. A few minutes later, she reached the house. She looked at the wolf. She said,
"Granny, what big eyes you have."
"Oh, better to see you with,"
said the wolf.
"Granny, what big ears you have."
"Oh, better to hear you with."
"Granny, what big teeth you have."
"Oh, better to eat you with."
Help! Little Red screamed. A woodcutter was in the wood. He heard a loud scream. Help! He didn't waste any time. He ran to the granny's house. The woodcutter hit the wolf over the head. It opened its mouth wide and yelled, and Granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and they never saw it again.
Hooray!
And they lived happily ever after.
I hope you could catch up some verbs from story. So, you should write down on your notebook how many verbs are there. Let's see it. Okay, are you ready to write them? Are you writing on your notebook? I hope you are still writing them on your notebook. Those are our vocabulary. So repeat after me those vocabularies. Was, went, had, saw, stopped, picked, said, heard, arrived, looked, run, at, got, waited, reached, scrammed, didn't, hit, opened, yelled, jumped, lived. So they are our vocabularies today. So now, how can we divide the verbs? Let's see. Regular verb, irregular verbs. So regular verbs usually get ed suffix like opened, yelled, jumped, lived. But irregular verbs are like that: was, went, had, saw. And how can we say the infinitive verbs like to jump, to open, to yell, to leave, to go, to have, to see, to eat. So how to make the infinitive verbs, like you can write like that. So now let's sing a song, and during this song, running, try to remember verbs. How are they changing into the past tense?
Am and was, are and were, do and did, go and went, eat and ate, have and had. Please check your spelling. Please check your spelling. Listen, listened, look and looked, walk and walked, play and played, paint and painted, watch and watched. Please add ed. Please add ed. Chat and chatted, clap and clapped, skip and skipped, hop and hopped, pat and patted, stop and stopped. Please add T or P. Please add T or P. Tidy, tidied, dry and dried, try and tried, fry and fried, study, studied, cry and cried. Please add IED. No, why IED. Give and gave, sing and sang, drink and drank, swim and swam, draw and drew, ride and rode. Please change the vowel. Please change the vowel.
Next step, we have a past simple tense. So we use the past simple tense when we talk about action happened at a particular time in the past. So there are three forms of past simple tense: positive, negative, question forms. Positive, subject and past form of the verb and time expression. So like that, subject means I, they, we, you, he, she, it. Like that. For example, I watched TV last night. And negative form, subject plus auxiliary verb and verb infinitive and time expression. Also question form, auxiliary verb did and subject plus verb and time expression. So there is a example. For example, I ate pizza yesterday. Positive form of the past tense. Did you eat pizza yesterday? Question form of the past. I didn't eat pizza yesterday. Negative form of the past tense. What did we learn today? Today we'll learn The Little Red Riding Hood, a small story, and also we got many verbs which are in the past tense. Do you remember it? So you should make some sentences using those words, that verbs. And second, we also learned regular and irregular verbs and infinitive forms of verb. And last, we learned forms of the past simple tense. So now we have homework. There is a small story about last summer holiday. Exercise 1, page number 63, the 6th grade's English. So first you should find out the verbs which are in the past tense and then divide them 3 groups: regular, irregular, and infinitive forms. Finally, you have to make your own sentences using them in the past tense. Regular, irregular, like that, the tablets. You should use it. And then also there are 4 kinds of exercises. They are in page number 16.4. So I hope my lesson is enjoyed you. See you next time and goodbye.
Am and was, are and were, do and did, go and went, eat and ate, have and had. Please check your spelling. Please check your spelling. Listen, listened, look and looked, walk and walked, play and played, paint and painted, watch and watched. Please add ed. Please add ed. Chat and chatted, clap and clapped, skip and skipped, hop and hopped, pat and patted, stop and stopped. Please add T or P. Please add T or P. Tidy, tidied, dry and dried, try and tried, fry and fried, study, studied, cry and cried. Please add IED. No, why IED. Give and gave, sing and sang, drink and drank, swim and swam, draw and drew, ride and rode. Please change the vowel. Please change the vowel.